Okay guys, for the front differential is the oil pan right there, oil filter is in the need of the oil filter. So this one to drain the fluid. And this one to add fluid. So first you have to open the first one to open the second one. And before you open it, always spray the W40 to open easily. Like that. And leave it sit a couple minutes and try to open it. Stay with me, I'll show you the process. Okay, to open it, you have to use 3/8 and you have to use a wrench like that to get you more access, to give you more power to open it. Like that. You know, you see it's really tight, so this is why I have to use like this one or something bigger than that one to get more force on it. Stay with me. So guys, I use this bar to force it to open it, so it's good. I opened the top one, even I broke my finger because the other one was too tight and I got my finger and the bar. So now we're gonna open it and finish the process. So guys, we'll go to the top one, take the plug out. See, oh, everything stay good, but the plug, the second plug has magnets. This will all this job is for this one, for the second one. Because the plug has a magnets, so we need to clean these magnets. Yeah. So this is 30,000 miles service. Most people. Oh, I see it. Yeah. What kind of fluid the car take? Okay guys, for the front differential, we'll do the same fluid. We're using 75/90, full synthetic, 100% synthetic. We keep adding until it got top off. Remember guys, this is 30,000 miles service, transmission, front differential, and rear differential. And I'm gonna do transfer case too. I'm gonna show how to transfer the transfer case too. So guys, the front differential is done. You can see. So put the plug back, it's good. I need the tail. There is no room. All the Japanese car, there is no room to walk on it. Stay with me guys. Okay guys, trust me, the differential is done for the front one. So we got back to the transfer case.